Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by today to see what I am up to. And I just received this box, which is my, haven't even taken it out, my Target beauty box. Still have the receipt here, and this is what the box looks like. Almost like a tie-dye effect. Very cute. Haven't even taken the plastic off. Literally just arrived, so I figured I would film it and get it ready to go up. I do believe they only had one box available for this, for June. This is the June box. Usually they have two, but it's okay that they only have one. And it's a really nice box. Target is not a monthly subscription. You have to, where it's automatically billed and shipped to you, you have to go onto the Target site. I believe it's like the first Monday or so of each new month. And if they're available, you get to see what's inside, a little preview, sneak peek, and decide whether you're going to order it or not. They are $7 a box. Tax, sometimes it's like $7.50. I did notice this month for the first time that you had to spend a certain amount of money in order to get, you could, if you spent $40 on beauty items, I think you got the box for free, which is something new. I have not seen them do that before. And I don't recall, I think you still had to spend a certain amount of money in order to get the free shipping, and I'm not going to pay for shipping. So once again, this is the box. And this month's theme is Nailed It, which I desperately need to do my nails. And you have a coupon on the back, $3 off. I think it's 15 or more in cosmetic, skincare, hair care. You save $3, and it does tell you a little bit about the products. So we'll use that. Pretty pink paper for the inside, and then this is, everything looks like it's backwards. This is what I see when I open the box. So we'll turn the first thing around, and this is the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Vitamin Strength Serum. And this is definitely a full-size item. That's not sample size. Nail treatment. Yeah. Hard as Nails Nail Serum. And this is, looks like it says is apply 1 to 2 pumps of serum onto hand and then spread evenly to all of your nails and cuticles. Okay, so that's really nice. I love that. Okay. And then we have a product from Essie. And this is a gel setter. And that's a top coat. It's a clear top coat that will give your nails gel-like color and ultra shine day after day. That also appears to be a full-size item, not a sample. And this is from EOS, EOS, right here. And this is a sample. This is Shea Butter Coconut Hand Cream. That's nice. Let's see if there's a... no safety seal, but that smells... You can definitely smell the coconut, I should say. So that's nice. I'm happy to have that. I love hand cream, as long as it's not too greasy. Then we have from Ella and Milla, the Soy Nail Polish Remover Wipes, Vitamin Enriched. Contains 1. So it's just a little sample to try it out. And then here's another sample, and I love Olly. They're a very good brand for vitamins. Undeniable Beauty Dietary Supplement Pouch. Contains vitamin C and E, as well as biotin and keratin, which help to build strong hair, skin, and nails. And there's probably only like 2 gummies in there, so I'll be more than happy to try them. I love, like I said, I love Olly, and I do use their vitamins. What is this? From Tweezerman. We have the 40th Anniversary Celebration Nail File. There, and this side. Okay, they're always great to have. What are these? Dashing Diva, 6 strips. Ultra Shine Gel Strips. This is in Rose Sparkle. Gloss Gel Nail Strips. Right, okay. 14-day wear. Okay. No UV lamp needed. No dry time. Well, that's interesting. Okay. I remember when I was working in the hospital years ago, the nurse was like, can you take your nail polish off one of your nails? I'm like, all right, why? And she wanted to try, because I had always had long nails, and they had to keep theirs short, and she wanted to try one on my nails. I mean, it did work. It was fine. I just do prefer nail polish. And then we have a real tiny little sample, and this is from, I guess, Defy and Inspire wear resistant nail lacquer. So that is, you know, probably get a few uses out of that, and that is in a really nice hot pink. So that we have that. And I think there's a coupon in here. Okay, so we have $2 off Essie nail care item right here. A little coupon involved, and that's everything in You Nailed It. Is that what it says? Nailed It. I think this is a great box. I'm excited. Vitamins always, a good hand cream, a little tiny polish. I probably won't do that on my nails, but toes are fine. And then the summer pink. I'm excited to try these. Always great nail file. These, to me, I don't really care for them, but I just rather use nail polish remover. I'm excited for this gel coat, top coat from Essie, and the Sally Hansen Hard as Nails treatment. Love it. $7. This is probably worth it right there. And then the other gel set or top coat covers the cost of the box. So that's everything in Nailed It for the Target Beauty Box for June 2020. Tell me what you thought about this one. I don't think I've ever gotten one that was just all strictly nails. I mean, if we have, I don't recall. Usually they mix it up with all different kinds of items, but this is nice considering none of us have been able to get out and get our nails done and do all that good stuff. So it's nice to get a whole little, you know, box full of goodies for us to do our own nails. And I don't think they put prices on here, do they? No. And if you don't love the box when you get it home, as long as you don't open anything, you can return it. So, I mean, if anything's damaged, you contact them. They send out a replacement. No questions asked. Target's customer service is wonderful. And I hope everyone is doing well and staying safe and enjoying being able maybe to get out and do a little bit more, but just, you know, keep in mind, you know, safety, your safety first. And I appreciate all of you watching. And as always, I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.